Good day to all employer. My name is Camille Basio, 29 years old, from Pasig City, Iloilo, Philippines. I'm a single mother. I have one daughter, she is 11 years old. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother, and I'm the second. My mother's name is Mary Grace Basio. She is a housewife, and my father's name is Joelson Basio. He is a fruit vendor. I am a high school graduate. I work as domestic helper in Kuwait 2 years and 2 months. There are 4 members in the family, including 2 kids. My works are cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, and taking care of the kids. I hope you can choose me as your helper. I promise I will finish my contract and I will extend if you need me. As a helper, I am responsible, trustworthy, honest, hardworking, loving, and caring, especially to the kids. I will treat you as my family. God bless and thank you.